A single aircraft circles 10,000 feet above the battlefield. From its side, a 105mm howitzer, the biggest gun ever mounted on a fixed-wing plane, unleashes hell. Each 43-pound shell hits with pinpoint accuracy, obliterating targets nearly 2 miles away. Enemy forces call it the Angel of Death. Our troops know it as the Ghost Rider. For over 5 decades, this flying fortress has been America's deadliest close air support weapon. What makes this gunship so terrifying that enemies would rather surrender than face it? The answer will shock you. Introduction. The AC-130 gunship represents something truly exceptional in military aviation. While fighter jets streak across the sky at supersonic speeds, this slow-moving, propeller-driven aircraft dominates the battlefield in ways no other plane can match. Since September 1967, when the first prototype touched down in Vietnam, these gunships have saved countless American lives and struck fear into enemy forces worldwide. The current model, the AC-130J Ghost Rider, entered service in 2017 and represents the pinnacle of 56 years of continuous development. With 31 aircraft delivered to Air Force Special Operations Command, this beast operates from bases in Florida and New Mexico, but can deploy anywhere on Earth within hours. If you're proud of what our armed forces accomplish with incredible machines like this, type PROUD in the comments below. What separates the AC-130 from every other attack aircraft? 3 things. First, sustained firepower. While jets make quick passes and disappear, the Ghost Rider circles overhead for hours, raining precision fire whenever needed. Second, incredible accuracy. Its advanced sensors can identify objects nearly 10 miles away, delivering ordnance within shouting distance of friendly troops. Third, versatility. Carrying everything from 30mm cannons to cruise missiles, it adapts to any mission. The Vietnam War origins. The story begins in 1967 during the height of the Vietnam War. American forces faced a critical problem. Enemy trucks carrying troops and supplies streamed down the Ho Chi Minh Trail under dense jungle canopy. Traditional fighter jets couldn't loiter long enough to hunt effectively. Engineers at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base took a C-130 Hercules cargo hauler and transformed it. They cut holes along the left side and installed 4 7.62mm miniguns and 4 20mm Vulcan cannons. A night vision telescope went in the forward door. Most importantly, they added an analog fire control computer handcrafted by RAF Wing Commander Tom Pinkerton. The prototype arrived at Nha Trang Air Base on September 21, 1967. The results exceeded every expectation. Flying over the Ho Chi Minh Trail, the AC-130, codenamed Spectre, obliterated hundreds of trucks. Analysis revealed stunning efficiency. Destroying a truck cost just $5,100 with the AC-130. The same mission using an F-105 fighter cost $118,000. During the 1969-1970 dry season, just 12 AC-130s destroyed 47,000 tons of supplies. In some missions, crews damaged or destroyed 25 trucks in a single sortie. But success came with danger. In 1972 alone, 4 AC-130s were shot down. Despite losses, these gunships destroyed over 10,000 enemy trucks and saved countless American lives. Enter the Ghost Rider. The AC-130J Ghost Rider represents everything learned from 50 years of gunship operations, built into a 21st century airframe. Based on the MC-130J Commando II, the Ghost Rider features 4 Rolls-Royce turboprops, generating 4,700 shaft horsepower each. Maximum speed hits 416 miles per hour. Range extends 3,000 miles without refueling. Service ceiling reaches 28,000 feet. But weapons make the Ghost Rider truly fearsome. The trainable 30mm GAU-23 Bushmaster II cannon fires precision rounds. The legendary 105mm howitzer delivers devastating firepower. The force of each shot pushes the 80-ton aircraft 6 feet sideways, yet shells impact exactly where intended 10,000 feet below. Wing pylons carry up to 8 GBU-39 small-diameter bombs, or AGM-114 Hellfire missiles. 10 common launch tubes fire GBU-69B small glide munitions, or AGM-176 Griffin missiles. This diverse arsenal means the Ghost Rider can engage any target with the appropriate weapon. Advanced sensors identify objects nearly 10 miles away. Electro-optical cameras see details invisible to human eyes. Infrared sensors detect heat signatures through darkness and smoke. All-weather radar penetrates clouds. Before we dive deeper, please take a second to like this video and subscribe. Over 98% of viewers watch without subscribing. It costs you nothing, but makes a huge difference to us. The mission crew includes 2 pilots, a combat systems officer, a weapons systems operator, a sensor operator, a loadmaster, and 3 gunners. This team coordinates seamlessly, turning sensor data into accurate fire within seconds. Cutting-edge 2025 upgrades. The Ghost Rider isn't standing still. 3 major upgrades transform its capabilities. First, the Black Arrow Small Cruise Missile. In 2025, AC-130Js successfully completed launch tests of this revolutionary weapon. Weighing approximately 200 pounds, the Black Arrow can carry various payloads depending on mission requirements. Range extends roughly 200 miles. With Black Arrow, a single gunship can strike targets anywhere within a 125,664 square mile circle, larger than New Mexico. Second, the ANAPG-83 Scalable Agile Beam Radar. In August 2025, Special Operations Command announced plans to equip 30 AC-130Js with this advanced AESA radar. Capabilities include high-resolution synthetic aperture radar imagery, enabling all-weather target engagement, ground-moving target indicator tracking monitors vehicles. Enhanced resistance to jamming ensures reliability. Third, AGM-84 Harpoon anti-ship missiles. These weapons are being integrated onto AC-130Js for maritime strike missions. Each Harpoon measures nearly 13 feet long, weighs over 1,500 pounds, and cruises just feet above the water. Why would a gunship need anti-ship missiles? Because future conflicts may involve contested maritime environments, particularly in the Pacific. An AC-130J armed with harpoons can patrol vast ocean areas, identify enemy ships, and engage from standoff range. Coordination with carrier strike groups. The AC-130's role extends beyond land operations. In modern naval warfare, these gunships coordinate closely with carrier strike groups to provide capabilities that carrier-based aircraft cannot match. While F-35C Lightning IIs and FA-18 Super Hornets launched from aircraft carriers excel at air superiority and precision strikes, they lack the sustained loitering ability of the AC-130. A Super Hornet might spend 20 to 30 minutes on station before needing to return to the carrier. The Ghost Rider can orbit for hours, providing persistent overwatch. Consider a scenario in the Pacific. A carrier strike group encounters threats from small fast attack craft, coastal installations, or island-based forces. F-35s can deliver precision strikes, but once their weapons are expended, they must return. The AC-130, with its diverse arsenal and extended endurance, maintains pressure on the enemy continuously. The integration of Harpoon missiles specifically targets this naval role. While carrier-based aircraft carry anti-ship missiles, the AC-130's sensors and loiter time allow it to hunt enemy vessels over vast areas. It can identify, track, and engage multiple targets during a single mission, something fast jets cannot accomplish as effectively. F-18 Super Hornets provide the speed and initial strike capability. F-35s deliver stealth penetration and high-end targeting. The AC-130 brings sustained firepower and persistence. Together they create a layered defense and offense strategy that maximizes each platform's strengths. In recent exercises, AC-130Js practiced maritime interdiction alongside naval forces. The gunship's advanced sensors detected small craft that ship-based radars struggled to identify. Its precision weapons disabled targets without sinking them entirely, critical for capturing vessels and gathering intelligence rather than just destroying threats. Supporting carrier operations. Aircraft carriers represent America's mobile air bases, but they require protection and support. A C-130s stationed at forward bases complement carrier operations in several ways. First, base defense. When carriers operate near hostile coastlines, land-based threats emerge. The AC-130 can eliminate coastal anti-ship missile batteries, radar installations, and command centers, clearing the way for carrier air wings to operate safely. Second, search and rescue. If a pilot ejects over hostile territory, carrier-based helicopters handle recovery. But the AC-130 provides armed overwatch during rescue operations, suppressing enemy forces that might threaten downed pilots or rescue crews. Third, special operations support. Navy SEALs and other special operations forces often deploy from carriers or nearby ships. When these teams conduct raids on coastal targets or island installations, AC-130s provide the precise, sustained fire support that carrier-based jets cannot deliver during extended ground operations. The relationship works both ways. Carrier-based E-2 Hawkeye early warning aircraft provide the AC-130 with real-time intelligence about threats and targets. F-35s with their advanced sensors identify enemy positions and relay coordinates to the gunship. This networked approach multiplies the effectiveness of every platform. The war on terror and modern missions. Afghanistan and Iraq proved the AC-130's value in the 21st century. Night after night, gunships orbited over combat zones, responding instantly when troops needed support. The AC-130 became known as the infantryman's best friend. When troops found themselves surrounded and desperate, those 4 turboprop engines overhead meant salvation. The gunship could fire danger close, within meters of friendly positions, with unmatched accuracy. In 2015, AC-130s destroyed over 100 ISIS-operated oil tanker trucks in Syria, crippling terrorist financing. In 2023, an AC-130J struck Iranian-backed militia groups in Iraq after they attacked al-Assad Air Base. These missions demonstrated capabilities that neither carrier-based aircraft nor land-based fighters could replicate. The combination of sensors, weapons diversity, and persistence creates unique advantages. Unique tactical advantages. What makes the AC-130 so effective? The pylon turn remains fundamental. By flying in a wide circle, weapons remain pointed at targets continuously. Unlike jets making quick passes, the gunship maintains constant fire. Loitering capability separates it from every other platform. Jets carry limited fuel. The Ghost Rider can orbit for hours, with aerial refueling, theoretically until crew fatigue or ammunition depletion forces it to land. Crew expertise cannot be overstated. Operating an AC-130 requires extraordinary coordination. Pilots maintain precise altitude and banking. Combat systems officers manage missions. Weapons operators select ordnance. Sensor operators identify targets. Gunners load and fire weapons. Everyone works together flawlessly. Challenges and adaptations. Despite successes, the AC-130 faces serious challenges. Large radar cross-section, slow speed, and low-altitude operations made it devastating in permissive environments like Afghanistan. But against peer adversaries with advanced surface-to-air missiles, survival becomes questionable. Air Force Special Operations Command acknowledges these concerns. Plans include advanced automation, ASA radar integration, and standoff weapons extending strike range beyond air defense envelopes. However, Lieutenant General Michael Conley clarified that the 105mm howitzer will remain. The weapon's psychological impact and ability to destroy hardened targets can't be replaced. The strategic shift toward Pacific conflicts drives innovation. The AC-130J's maritime capabilities, extended cruise missile range, and ability to operate from improvised locations position it for relevant roles even against advanced adversaries. It won't attack major warships protected by layered defenses, but finishing off damaged vessels, supporting island operations, and providing armed overwatch for friendly forces remain viable missions. Combined with F-35s and F-18s from carriers, the AC-130 fills gaps that fast jets cannot address. Conclusion. The AC-130J Ghost Rider stands as one of America's most feared weapons for good reason. From Vietnam jungles to Afghan mountains, From Iraqi deserts to potential Pacific conflicts, this aircraft has dominated battlefields and saved countless American lives. Its evolution from a modified cargo plane to a sophisticated precision strike platform demonstrates American innovation. The ongoing upgrades, Black Arrow missiles, AESA radar, Harpoon anti-ship weapons ensure relevance for decades. Working alongside carrier-based F-35s and F-18s, the AC-130 provides capabilities no other platform matches. While fast jets deliver speed in initial strikes, the Ghost Rider brings sustained firepower and persistence. Most importantly, the men and women who fly and maintain these aircraft exemplify the courage and professionalism that make America's military the finest in the world. Their dedication ensures that when our troops need support, the Angel of Death arrives right on time. If you found this valuable, please like this video and subscribe for more military content covering gunships, carriers, and the incredible aircraft that protect our freedom.